Well, good day, St. Andrew Scots. Some notes from my office for this week, and again, just a reminder from last week. But we've got PSAT tomorrow. For the PSAT, that'll just be for the junior class, freshmen, sophomores, and seniors. You do not have school. An important note when it comes to the schedule, obviously, because of our connection to the middle school, we're going to have back-to-back B days surrounding PSAT. So even though we have period B today on this Tuesday, we will also have period B on Thursday. So that's noted on my essay, but I wanted to make special mention of it here today in the assembly. Additionally, you've probably noticed at this point that we have some student council elections going on, some great candidates for you to select from for each grade. As we start selection this Thursday, I think you'll hear speeches from your student council candidates. Just be mindful of selecting candidates based on their credentials and what you think they're going to do for your class. You'll hear more from our student council leaders and from Ms. Bork, our great leader advisor for student council, about some of the other details along with those elections. And lastly, I just want to compliment our senior class. We just had our senior investiture last Wednesday. We've got a great senior class. We're proud of everything they're doing. We know they're going to do a great job of leading our school this year. And I hope that as we go throughout this year, we can do more of our celebrations, honor painting coming up relatively shortly. And as we do those, celebrating together as much as we can during this era of COVID. Have a great day and go Scots.
Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to Assembly this week. We are super excited to give you all your announcements for the week. So Andrew, go ahead.
Now the pledge with Isabella Asif.
Hello, St. Andrew School. I stand before you this morning to lead us all in the Pledge of Allegiance. Did you know that there is a musical version of the pledge that was written by Irving Caesar in the 1950s? It was sung on the floor of the House of Representatives for Flag Day in 1955. Bet you didn't know that. I kindly ask that you stand wherever you may be, in order to pay respect to our flag and to our great nation. Please place your right hand over your heart and say it with me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now Chris Kokis with the Honor Code.
As a member of St. Andrew School, I pledge my honesty, academic integrity, sportsmanship, and stewardship to the school community, and I expect others to be responsible to do the same. Honor above all.
Now we have an elections update from Stuco. Our amazing Stuco candidates started officially campaigning last Thursday for class presidents and representatives. Voting will occur next Thursday, October 15th in advisory. In the meantime, you can learn a little more about the candidates through the Google Slides that your teachers will show you after this assembly. If you want this Google Slides yourself, this will be an email sent by Mr. Purcell. If you have any questions about elections, see your email, Ms. Bork.
And now we have an announcement from Ms. Wright.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ms. Reif, the Director of Performing Arts at St. Andrews, and I have the pleasure of directing the Upper School musical this year. Our 2020-21 musical is Little Women. So some quotes that speak to me about this production, about this story are, "There will come a time when you believe that everything is finished. That will be the beginning. I've learned through the years that it's not where you live, it's the people who surround you that make you feel at home. If you're going to have a story, have a big story or none at all." So Little Women is beloved for so many reasons. These characters are strong and fearless, and they go on an exciting journey through the course of the show. And through the power of the imagination, Jo March and her family find the courage and the strength to transcend challenging times. Today, as we navigate COVID-19 as a school community, I cannot imagine a more powerful musical for us to produce this year. We hope that you will join us. Auditions are coming soon on October 26th with callbacks on October 29th. Dr. Good's newsletter last week contained the link to the Sign Up Genius to schedule your appointment. And if you don't want to audition, but you think you might want to be involved as a lightboard or spotlight operator or as a member of the run crew or costume crew, please reach out to me. I'm very happy to answer any questions that you might have about the production.
Props to Commedia dell'Arte and Dr. Albert for her hard work in directing our fall play.
Now to Harrison Calder and the Scots Media Society for a voting PSA.
The presidential election for the next United States president will take place on November 3rd, 2020, between Republican incumbent Donald J. Trump and former Vice President Joseph R. Biden. For some of us, this will be the first opportunity to make our voices heard in this important decision. We will have the chance to help determine who will govern this country for the next 4 years. Think of the issues our country is facing both domestically and internationally, such as the coronavirus epidemic, the economy, racial issues, massive job losses, and federal judgeship appointments, to name a few. Please consider taking the time to listen to the presidential debates and learning about the candidates. Be part of the process and vote. Thank you.
Here's a commercial from the Wilderness Club.
Hi, I'm Henry. I'm president of the Wilderness Skills Club.
Hi, I'm Brooks Russell, Vice President of the Wilderness Club.
The Wilderness Skills Club, we teach wilderness skills through videos, blogs, and many other things. We're going to have interview people. It's a blast. The website is a blog section, a video section, and much more. If you would like to join the Wilderness Club, please contact me or my colleagues.
Henry.Pollock at standandrews.net. Elizabeth.Russell at standandrews.net.
All right, everybody out there, how are you doing? It's Mr. Glick here, and I'm telling you that you should consider signing up for the Wilderness Skills Club. I'm one of the advisors, and also it's run by our dear friend Henry Pollock, who's a great man. Everybody out there should run, sign up, get involved, watch the rest of this film, and if you don't believe us at the end of this film that it's not a good idea to join, then we don't know what is.
Join our club.
Let's go Wilderness Club 2020-2021. All right.
And now we have an announcement from Mr. Glick. Mr. Glick, where are you?
Hello, Jake, and hello, Student Council. How are you? Am I coming through clear? Me and my mic, it's only for me. You can hear me all right? Thanks for letting me join, guys. I just wanted to quickly say, and we're loving the assembly, guys. Thanks for doing this over the past couple of weeks. Going really well. About the assembly, if you have announcements, and email them to me before the end of the day on Friday. That way we'll make sure that it'll make it in for the Monday morning's assembly. And also, as you can see, the assembly is only about 12 to 15 minutes in length. So if you have an announcement and you record something, make sure that it's 2 minutes or so or less. And actually, the shorter, the better. Keep them pithy. So thank you, and go Scots. And remember, go Scots. And don't forget, go Scots! All right, back to you. Everybody get ready, shake your napkins, whatever you are. Everybody's time to shake your napkins and have a good time.
All right, menu time this week. We got Monday off, so we'll start with Tuesday. We got some Cuban mojo pulled pork, some arroz moro, which is Cuban black beans and rice, some curried spinach and tofu, and steamed broccoli because you got to get those greens in.
All right, for Wednesday, even though pretty much nobody's going to be here, we have General Tao's chicken, General Tao's tofu with vegetables, sticky rice, and steamed green beans.
For Thursday, we got ropa vieja, red beans and rice, and seasoned broccoli.
And for Friday, we got hamburgers, veggie burgers, pasta primavera with artichokes, French fries, and sauteed mixed vegetables.
And obviously cheese pizza every day. So eat up and eat well.
For follow-up, we have a word of nutrition from Jasmine, who's in my computer science class.
Thank you, Scots. Nutrition plays an important role in maintaining a healthy immune system. It is a known fact that poor eating habits leave you more susceptible to illnesses. When it comes to fighting off disease, eating nutrition-rich foods can be your first line of defense. Start by eating 5 to 9 servings of fruits and vegetables a day, while also substituting whole grains for refined grains. Heed our sage advice and give it a shot.
And today, for our nth video, we have another edition of Time Machine Tuesday, featuring our very own student body president, Mr. Will Adams.
What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me what's your flavor? What's your flavor? What's your flavor? Tell me 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 what's your flavor? I took them in the middle of July with the fly. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, do you have fun? Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, you're the one.
Okay, so now it's time for the birthday fairy again. So, Mr. Glick, let's go to our wheel and see who it is today. And happy birthday to everyone who has a birthday this week. Let's spin the wheel. Okay, so the birthday winner this week is Sophie Wagner. Happy birthday, Sophie. We hope you have a great day. Let's go take a look at what the birthday fairy's up to. Again, happy birthday, Sophie. That's so exciting that you got a visit from the birthday fairy. Let's see what he brought you. Well, thank you very much for listening to Assembly again. We had a great time, and we're super excited for everything that's coming up. So, yeah, thank you, and go Scott.
And advisors, don't forget to look at the posters for elections on the Google Slides you were emailed.
Good luck.